welcome to La Mama Muthi channel. Today I have for you Mediterranean spiced chickpea salad. So for that purpose you're gonna need the chickpea and parsley, a carrot, onion, white and red onion, dry raisin, baby tomato, and different kind of pepper and cucumber. You're gonna need also olive oil, honey, and other spice that I'll show you in the process. So let's start the process. So I'll put my pan on the stove. So I'll add the olive oil, 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3. Then I'll put my chickpea. So it's 2 cups of chickpea. So I lower the heat. So I have to stir it all the time. So I'll start put my spice. I have a cumin spice. 1 and 2. I'll put oregano, 2 tablespoons of oregano. 1, 2. This dry oregano. I'll use a paprika, 3 tablespoons of paprika. 1. Actually it's teaspoon. 3 teaspoons of paprika. And I'll put a cayenne pepper. So if you don't want your salad very spicy, you can use just 1 or half of a teaspoon. That's what I'm gonna do. Just half of a teaspoon. Half of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Black pepper, 1 spoon of black pepper. I have garlic. I'll use also 2 teaspoons of garlic. I'll use tandoori masala. You don't have to use all the spice. You can just use some of them. Depend on how you like your salad. So this one I use just 1 teaspoon of tandoori masala. So I mix it together. So you have to mix it all the time to make sure the spice don't stick at the bottom. Actually my chickpea was salted. That's why I don't have to add salt. So this is how my chickpea look like. I'll turn the heat off and put it aside for a while to let it cool down. While our chickpea is cooling down, so let's make the salad dressing. We're gonna put 3 spoons again, 3 tablespoons of olive oil. 1, 2, and 3. We're gonna use honey, 2 tablespoons of honey. If you want it to be too sweet, you can use more. You can use maple syrup or sugar, but honey is better. We're gonna use 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. 1, 2, and 3. 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Half teaspoon of salt. And stir it together. Stir it well for a while. Okay. Now we're gonna mix everything together. 2 cups of shredded carrot, 1.5 cup of parsley, almost 2 cups of cucumber. We want onion, 1 cup of onion, 1.5 cup of red onion. Mix everything together. The pepper, the red pepper and yellow pepper, raisin tomato. So I add my salad dressing. Continue to stir together. Then I'll add the chickpea. So mix everything together. Yeah. And I'll put the dry raisin. This is how our salad looks like. So I'm gonna save it in a big bowl. So I'll keep the rice in the fridge. You can use it for lunch for the whole week, the whole family. So this is our salad, how I serve it. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, give us the thumb up to promote our videos. Thank you again and see you next time. Bye.